Hello and welcome to Cook Up Style, where we explore proverbs and sayings from the Caribbean. Today we're going to look at the saying, harden pickney does nyam rockstone. So this is basically translated, a disobedient child will face hard consequences. So rockstone is effectively rocks, and harden means that someone that's willfully disobedient repeatedly and doesn't listen to input. So, how would you drop this proverb? You drop it in situations where you're confronting a child who's repeatedly getting in trouble with the law, or when you're cautioning a child about their bad behavior before it forms into something that like a habit or becomes habitual. So it's preventative, or it could be punitive after the fact, but it's just a reminder about consequences. So let's look at an example or illustration of this situation. We catch him up to mischief, miss. Sorry, mommy. I tell you so. Harden pickney does nyam rockstone. All right. I hope you enjoyed this illustration. And if these sayings and proverbs stirs up memories or interests, please be sure to like, subscribe, share, and we'll have more for you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.